Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set up the personal hotspot in this device. To set up the personal hotspot in this device, go to settings and tap on connection and sharing, then tap on personal hotspot. Now turn on this option. So here you can see the name and password of this hotspot. If you tap on this one, we can easily edit the name and password. So the name of this personal hotspot is this one and the password is this one. So here I am going to change the password. Yeah, now tap on the save button. Now you can see it is enabled. You can see the password of this hotspot is changed. So now I am going to connect this personal hotspot to this device. Okay, this is my another device, so let me turn on this one. Yeah, I am going to connect this to this device. Now in this device we need to enable the Wi-Fi. Go to settings and tap on the Wi-Fi. Now you can see that name is came here, that our OnePlus Nord CE4, you can see the name. Tap on this one. So here we need to enter the password of the personal hotspot and tap on the save button. You can see it is connecting. Yeah, it is connected. You can see. So simply in this way you can set up the personal hotspot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.